Well, if you thought the month of February was a little warm, like a lot warm, you're right. All kinds of records set across the valley. The average temperature in McAllen was 75.3 degrees. That's more than 10 degrees above normal. Brownsville set a record as well of 73.3. That's just above 9 above normal. And Harlingen, 72.7, 9.3 degrees above normal. And these numbers are also above the normal for March. So if we'd have done this, it's still been above normal for the month of March. Isn't that crazy? And we're going to start March off on a cooler note, though. After today being in the 80s, things will be cooler the next 2 or 3 days. These are the currents. We've come down from the highs into the low 70s right now. And tonight we expect readings to drop back into the 50s in most of the valley. A little more mild in Cameron County, 60 Harlingen, 61 Brownsville, and 65 at the beach. So a relatively cool night. But then tomorrow we stay below normal for a change. About 70 in the mid-valley, Harlingen, Brownsville, the island. A little bit warmer, but not much in the western part of the valley at 72. And again, for this time of year, the average high is 77. So we'll stay below that. And we'll stay below that on Friday. We'll stay below that on Saturday. And then we go back above the norm for Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, but at least 3 days of cooler than average temperatures across the region. With those cooler temperatures comes a decent chance of rain. I don't see anything tomorrow, but late Friday could be a sprinkle or two around. And look at Saturday, 70% chance of rain. Thunderstorm, heavy rain, a possibility late Saturday, Saturday night into early Sunday. By midday Sunday, it should begin to taper off, so we're at 30% for Sunday, and then after that, we are dry. But a good chance of rain over the weekend. Texas quiet tonight, some showers down to the south, some active weather in the southeastern part of the nation along that same front that moved through and is pushing away, so cooler temperatures building in. I think tomorrow, again, we're dry. Friday, and isolated showers possible. But look at Saturday, 4 o'clock in the afternoon, a bullseye develops right on top of deep south Texas, meaning there's a pretty good shot at rain, and not just here, but Houston, San Antonio, Del Rio, Laredo, down into Monterey as well, much of Mexico, all in response to this little upper disturbance that will be sliding across the area. Still there late night Saturday night, early Sunday morning, but then after that it begins to move out, drier air builds in. And then behind that, we warm up and we see sunshine for most of next week. Some of the models do bring this front in about Wednesday. The European model says it stalls to the north. We'll see as we get closer. How much rain are we looking at over the weekend? Well, right now, FutureTech says an average of 1 to 2 inches near the coast, a little less than that inland, but still some pretty decent rain around deep south Texas. Quick check of other temperatures in the 70s in Florida, up in the northeast, 40s, 50s. Here's where the chilly weather is. Single digits now. Doubled that. Went to 11 in International Falls, 19 in Duluth, Minneapolis tonight at 24 degrees. So for us, 57 for a low, cooler than last night by about 13. Then tomorrow, only 70 for your high, partly to mostly cloudy skies, northeasterly winds. Here we go, next 7 days. Best chance of rain is Saturday into early Sunday, and then after that, we should be dry again. But notice the next 3 days, cool temperatures, 70, 70, and 73. That is your updated First 45 forecast.